I'm Steve Hodson and I'm your host for today's video. I am proud to introduce you to ActOn Finishing, which is a family-run business which first opened its doors back in 1965, with well over half a century's expertise in surface finishing. ActOn Finishing are the UK's manufacturers of surface finishing machines which include vibratory, high energy, shot blast and water treatment solutions. We also manage our own media and compounds and offer full subcontract service. Today I would like to introduce you to our premium range of dry blast cabinets. The DP12, which is a pressure blast cabinet, and the DI12, which is our dry blast cabinet. These machines have been specifically designed to be durable and user-friendly for continuous blasting. Both the DI and DP machines are equipped with integrated cyclone and dust extraction, which guarantees the abrasive is cleaned perfectly. This design ensures less wear and better visibility. The key features and benefits of premium range include efficient, powerful blasting process free from interruption, continuous clear view due to optimal air circulation, integrated cabinet easy to move and use, large entrance doors with safety sensors so no accidental blasting when the doors are open, easy replacement of splash glass when required, 350 kg low capacity but with optional higher grade table if required. In the DP machines, the pressure pot is equipped with a dosing cylinder which controls the constant flow of abrasive at all times. This ensures a consistent, effective blast process. In the DI machines, the suction blast pistol works in combination with the mixing chamber to ensure a constant, optimum mix of pressured air and abrasive is delivered. There are a number of optional extras and features such as stationary turntable, which makes blasting heavy stroke large parts easier, rail transport system outside the cabinet to reduce manual handling, blast gun support, wear resistant lining, extra filters. We also have a range of automated blast cabinets such as drum blasting cabinets, satellite machines, transit blast systems and many more. When you buy a machine from ActOn, our main goal is to ensure you have a great process. We will teach you how to set up your machine for success. We welcome you to visit us so you can see our test lab where we can work with you and carry out live trials and take you on a tour of our facility. Don't just think about it, act on it.